Over the last couple of weeks, I kid you not, Lindsay, Morrison, I have people messaging me saying, when is Lindsay going to bring some snow? Because people in the GTA, they want to do some winter activities.
And I'm interested in this because I think a lot of people say we don't want snow in the winter, but then you don't have much of it and suddenly you start to yearn a little bit. Well, I have some good news for those who are waiting for some snow. It looks like we could be in for at least some measurable snow into Tuesday, but there's a few different factors at play as to how that's going to play out. Today, though, a few flurries in the GTA, but once again, the more active weather has been in a completely different part of the province. This was Windsor, Ontario this afternoon. A disturbance moved through, bringing some light snow to many southwestern parts of Ontario. If you are in the GTA, yeah, you may be a little pleased that we've had little snow so far this January, but if you are eager for a blast of winter, let me show you. There's a Texas low on the way. We don't see it just yet on the satellite and radar. It's still developing. There's that swath of snow that moved through the southwest not too long ago, a couple of hours ago, and we're now seeing a little more lake enhancement off of Lake Huron, but no watches, warnings, advisories in effect. All is going to be calm for us tonight here in the city of Toronto, but it's as we make our way into Monday night and then more so through the day on Tuesday that a disturbance that for the most part is going to be impacting our neighbors to the south of the border in through the Ohio Valley has the potential to move north of the border and bring southern Ontario and more specifically the GTA a little bit of snow. Here's how things play out over the next couple of days. Monday itself is looking like a dry day with a little more sun than we had today, so we can look forward to that. As we make our way into the nighttime hours, Windsor might get clipped once again, midnight moving into the day on Tuesday. For us in Toronto, it's going to be more so a late morning thing where we start to see some of the snow arrive through the afternoon. So here's what needs to happen. If the low travels just a little bit further to the north, that is going to up the snowfall amounts. There might also be a little bit of lake enhancement off of Lake Ontario. So what I'm thinking at this point is that the West GTA is more likely to see accumulating snow, maybe 2 to worst case scenario, 10 centimeters of snow. It pulls away quite quickly, but again, if things change a little bit and that low moves a little bit further north, some areas will see more than 2 to 5 centimeters of snow. If the low tracks a little bit further to the south, it will once again be a little bit of a miss for us. Through today, we made it to a high of only -3, but again, fairly seasonal. That's been the story this weekend. Finally, seasonal temperatures. -7 is what we're calling for overnight tonight. Tomorrow's looking like a great day if you're going to be working or learning from home. Mix of sun and cloud in the forecast, and the temperature a little bit warmer than it has been this weekend. Here's the 7 days. So Tuesday, that's the one that brings us the chance of some snow. The rest of the week is looking pretty dry. It will be a little bit cool, but again, just on the cool side of seasonal as we make our way through the middle part of the week. Lots of sunshine expected by the time we reach Thursday. Next weekend is looking decent as well. Watch those wind chills, though. It is going to be a good week to have the winter parka, the hat, and the mittens. That's the 7-day forecast. Andrea, I'm going to send it over to you.
Thank you, Lindsay. A new pilot project in Montreal aims to help the